Hey guys, how's it going? I haven't uploaded in a while, but I figured I'd make this video on how to run Linux in your browser. And with this you can run games like Roblox, Steam games, Minecraft, whatever works with Linux. So the first thing you're going to want to do is do onworks Linux emulator. And then it should be ubuntu. I don't know how to say that, but it'll be this one. It'll look kind of like this. You don't want to let it show notifications, or that's just me. Then run ubuntu. I'm just going to call it U from now on because it's a lot hard. Then start and it'll wait for 3 seconds. Okay, so it should say ready, and you can click enter. You will not need this other tab. So then it'll say starting and preparing the server. Now here we are. We have everything here. We got our password, which is 1234. And then we can save our sessions. So if you want to save your apps. And so we can find the terminal, everything to install we need. And then we have a web browser, which we can go to Steam and download on that. Or you can go to Minecraft.net. Oh, we will need to agree to this, though. So just go through that, and then... That was the wrong button. Frick. Agree. And then there we go. It might be in another language, but you can just switch that. And then we can download Steam. And then we should be able to get back to Minecraft. Yeah, and then we can download it for Linux on there. I'm pretty sure they have a Linux launcher. So you can do Roblox if that runs in Linux too. You'll probably need to look up tutorial videos for how to install them on Linux. But otherwise, it's basically a whole PC in your browser. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any other tutorials on like how to install things on Linux, you can leave them in the comments. And thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.